chasing the easy life.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Janet, and today's video, you guys, we will be creating this look right here. Yes, this is my fall slash autumn look. I'm saying with a little bit of drama of my freckles, which is, I don't know, I just feel like, putting them over there because why not? Fall is fun, so why not create a fun look of it? If you want to know how I create this look right here, just keep on watching. To prime my face, I am using my Too Faced Hangover. This is perfect because it's already chilly and cold outside. Just gonna prime our skin. For my foundation, I am using my Laura Mercier in Sun Tan. Just gonna use this with my brush. And I have a video of how to apply foundation flawlessly, so you guys check that out. I'm gonna put that in my description box down below. That's really my foundation routine. For my concealer, I'm using my Clinique. This is a line smoothing concealer and in the shade medium. Not too much. In my nose, forehead, chin, cupid's bow. Yes. And now let's blend this all together. When you do your highlighter, just blend it really well because sometimes it gets patchy. That's why I always prep and moisturize my skin. This is really like brightening. And to set my concealer, I'm using my Laura Mercier powder. And I'm using my small beauty blender. Just gonna pat it here. Okay, so for my eyeshadow base, I am using this Luscious Angel Eyes. And we are going to blend this. Yes, and to set this, I am using my Laura Mercier powder as well. So we can move on to our eyeshadow. If you want your base to stay, set them really well. So for my eyeshadow, I am using my Huda palette. And I am using this color yellow right here because it's fall. It's a lot of yellow and brown and orangey. So we are going to use all of the colors in our lids. I don't know how, but we're gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? So yes, I'm gonna do this eyes first and off cam this other eye. So as I've said, just to save us some time, I'm saying. So I am going to use this all over my lids. I want this yellow to pop. I'm using my 217 because I'm gonna pack this color all over. Now I am blending this using the same brush. I felt like I can use this one color only and that's it. Oh, this is nice. Yes, so to use my Born This Way palette, I will be using this color orange right here. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. I am going to put this here and blend them together. Oh, this really screams fall, baby. Fall, fall, fall. And as you can see, you guys, I'm just using this in my outer V and drag them on the center. Oh, that is gorgeous. So to blend that, I will be using my tapered blending brush from Sigma and just blend this side right here. So yeah, I did spritz a little bit of my MAC Fix Plus. You know what? I'm good with this color. Perfect. I'm good with that. Going back to the yellow color, I'm going to blend that. These edges. So I like this look. It's very easy, it's very simple that you can create. And feel the fall vibe. So let me just go ahead and do the other eyes, and I'll be back for the rest of our face. Okay, so our eyes is done here. So in my falsies, I was using this Ardell Wispies, which is just like a natural lashes, because I don't want to cover my eyeshadow because it's so pretty. Saying so, yeah. So for my eyeliner, I'm using this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and this is in a shade Torch. This eye pencil is so creamy. I love it. Using the yellow color, I will smoke this orange out. Yes, I like how this looks turns out. Yes, and now let's move on to my mascara. So using my Definicils Booster, I will be using this to prime my eyelashes. And for the mascara, I will be using the Definicils. This is just the deluxe sample. Okay, and that's it for my eyes. And now let's move on to our face. For my powder, I will be using my MAC NC43. I will be applying this all over my face. So to contour my face, I will be using my contour palette from Sephora. I'm using this to contour so that it's pigmented. And now using this brush, I am going to blend all of this. Kailangan walang harsh edges because it's not cute. So for my bronzer, I will be using my Becca, and this is in a shade Bronzed Amber. I will be using this. So for my blush, I will be using this Huda Beauty, this orange color. This is going to be fun color, you guys, because why not? Fall is fun, you know. And I'm gonna include my nose. It looks like a drunk blush, but it's not. For my highlighter, I will be using my Physicians Formula, and this is in a shade Champagne. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm going to spritz this with Caudalie. When you spritz your brush wet, it picks a lot of pigments. Like, look at this. This is what you call patayin sa sindak sa highlighter, you know? Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, so just to give a little bit of drama, I will be putting some freckles here. And I'm using my Bang Beauty. And this is a chocolate gel eyeliner. And this is like a color brown. Hopefully this will work. You know what? Maybe not. I am taking this brown pencil, this one, and dip this here. I don't like it. Let's try this. This is like a pencil. It looks dirt, but it's fine. Ang saklap ng freckles. Taking my highlighter, I'm going to put that on the top of it. Okay, I think that's it for our look. And now let's move on to our lipstick. And now for my lipstick, I will be using my Anastasia, and this is in the shade Ashton. I think that's it for my lips. And now to top a little bit of drama, I will be putting Anastasia, and this is in the shade Gilded. And I overdrew my lips because why not? I'm saying. Okay, you guys, so let me set everything with my Caudalie. I'm going to just like fan this out. Okay, so let me just go ahead and do my hair, and I'll be back. Hi everyone, so I'm back, and as you guys can see, our hair down. Let me see if my teeth has a lipstick. Yes, it is a lot. Okay, I think I'm good. Okay, so this is my version of my fall autumn look. You know, it's easy, it's very simple, and I really love how it turns out. It's very easy to recreate if you want to recreate this look. I mean, if you just want to. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please, please, please show me some love, give me some like, and don't forget to subscribe and be a member of my small family. And do not forget to turn on your notifications on for more videos from me. And thank you guys all so much. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye.